Hello to everyone. This is a short video presentation concerning dynamic solar panels, and it will be about the proper way to use the HAD brand of flexible solar panels. This represents new architecture and also new milestones for us. We are talking about skyscrapers, large multi-story buildings, and even ordinary buildings. And all of these common buildings will now be used for power generation, effectively becoming power stations that can provide you with a daily income. The concept of reuse and separation is key because this allows for a transformation that will completely change building structures and building maintenance. For instance, once every 5 years, the significant cost of painting the entire building is saved when you make use of these flexible solar panels over a period of 30 years. As much as 70% of all maintenance costs are completely saved.
Warm welcome the future OF floor high efficiency HTFL solar panels. These sources examine the technological advancements and economic viability of building integrated photovoltaics BIPV and solar thermal systems BISTS. One report focuses specifically on heterojunction HDT technology, highlighting its simplified production process, superior bifacial efficiency, and high energy yields in extreme climates. Another source provides a financial breakdown for solar facades, illustrating how initial costs are offset by long term energy savings and tax incentives in urban environments. Complementary research evaluates various solar thermal applications ranging from water and air heating to integrated storage solutions for residential and commercial structures. Together, the texts advocate for transitioning from traditional building materials to energy generating assets that serve both structural and environmental purposes. This holistic approach aims to achieve net zero energy targets by seamlessly blending renewable technology with modern architectural design. The primary difference between BIPV building integrated photovoltaics and BISES building integrated solar thermal systems lies in the type of energy they generate. Although both share the same fundamental concept of integrating renewable energy directly into a building's architecture. BIP. We focuses on generating electricity. BIPV systems incorporate photovoltaic solar cells directly into the exterior wall assembly or building envelope. These systems transform building exteriors into power generating assets, producing electricity while replacing conventional building materials like glass, metal panels, or stone cladding. This ISCSS focuses on generating thermal energy. This utilizes solar thermal collectors to produce heat. They contribute directly to a building space heating, cooling, and domestic hot water requirements. Rather than generating electricity, BIS typically circulate water or air as a heat transfer fluid to capture and distribute thermal energy. Similarities in building integration. Despite generating different types of energy, both systems are defined by their true integration into the building envelope. Rather than being superimposed on top of an existing roof like traditional solar panels, both BIPV and BISTS serve a dual function. They act as energy generators while simultaneously functioning as essential structural components that provide weather protection, thermal insulation, acoustic performance, or shading. Because they are a prerequisite for the building's functionality, If a BIPV or BISTS component is removed, it must be partly or totally replaced by a conventional building material to maintain the structure's integrity. Hybrid technologies. It is also worth noting that the two technologies can be combined into hybrid photovoltaic by thermal PV by T systems. These hybrid BISs capture the heat released by the PV modules using circulating water or air, providing both electrical and thermal energy while increasing the total energy output of the panels.